Hi Johan, just for your clarification, I want to tell you. So this is the repository on GitHub. This is the Vagrant file. So I just want to tell you, if you'll go down from here I've started installing all the dependencies of the MDSheet tool. You can see, and then this is the line where you get clone the private repository of the authors. So here you can see these four are the private repositories of the author inside Bitbucket. So when you git clone all these repositories, you get a folder saying to OTA, then second folder MD Sheet LibreOffice, then third folder MD Sheet, then fourth folder MD Sheet Utils. These four directories you will get after git cloning these four repositories. So for this get clone, you need to have a user ID and password which has access to these repositories. So I have given this input file which is called in the vagrant file. So here you need to provide username and password. So as discussed with the professor, I haven't shared my user ID and password which has access to these repositories. So once you provide these username and password having access to these repositories, then my vagrant file will start cloning the repository from here. So once these commands are executed, now I'll show you the VM. So this is the VM. So after running the vagrant script, you will get these four folders: one, two, three, and fourth one is 2OTA. These are the repositories. So what for the auto start, I can put this LibreOffice calc inside the AutoStart and it will run. But this won't run the tool. For running the tool, you should open the command line, then go to cd mdsheet LibreOffice directory, then type in make run. Now you can see the LibreOffice has comes up. So these two commands cd mdsheet LibreOffice and make run. Now you can see if you'll go back to my repository, here GitHub. So here if you'll see inside the VM contents, see here in OpenSH these two commands I have written cd home vagrant to that particular folder, then make run. And this OpenSH dot desktop has been provided. This particular thing has been provided in the auto start folder. So inside I can show you the auto start folder also inside vagrant script. Auto start LibreOffice calc. So here inside the auto start folder I've wget these two which I've made, and then it will run these two commands automatically once the VM starts. So obviously if you haven't cloned the repository, this all are step by step. So if you haven't cloned the repository, you won't get these folders which I told you, and you can't go inside the folder and do make run. So this is the whole logic I was talking about. So I hope this is clear by now, and if you have any doubts you can email us.